a t-shirt. Yes. Woo-hoo. And it froze. So yeah, this is what happens in below zero temperature. We had like 30 below with windshield. We're gonna try to drive this piece of screw into the plywood with this tomato. Okay, it's frozen solid. Okay, ready? Let's see if it works. Wow, it works. There you go, the test. Tomato, frozen solid. Wow.
I don't know if you can see that. Okay, that's the sun. Look at that. Right there, the sun. And then right there. Look at that. What the heck is that?
Where is the coming of global warming?
Check that out, everybody. That's the sun right there. What the heck is that, though? Look at that. It seems like a circle of some sort. Wow. Freezing out here today, you guys. Look at that. I mean, I can't even breathe right now. Really cold. Look at those ducks. They're not even moving. Look at that, everybody. Can't make this stuff up. So cold out. Wow. It's unreal. 18 below. Look at that. Switches back and forth from 18 to 17. It's cold out here. Guys, check that out. That's the sun right there. And what's that? That looks like a circle of some sort. That's no trick of a camera.